What's up, art friends? On today's episode, I want to show you how I made this subtractive paper design. Let's get cutting. I'm beginning with a stack of colorful construction paper, and I'm going to set this black paper aside and begin with my first two layers by stacking them together and cutting them at the same time. So I'm going to cut just a little bit away from the edges of my first two layers like this. So these pieces will end up with the exact same shape. Then I'm going to glue one of those layers to my black background paper like this. And I'm going to use the second one for the pattern for my next layer. So now I stack up my next piece of paper, and I'm going to make some cuts a little bit further in than the first ones that I made like this. Then I glue one more layer on, and use the second copy as a pattern for the next layer, like this. Each time I cut in a little bit more, cutting away a little bit more of the paper so that it reveals a little bit of the layer underneath. So I'm going to continue along like this until my paper pieces get too small to add any more layers, like this. When I was doing this green layer, they came apart into two pieces, and that's okay. I'll just continue with the two pieces on my next layers this way. Once I get to my last layer, which is the blue layer here, I don't need to add a second piece for the pattern. I'll just cut these by themselves. And there it is, friends, a subtractive paper design. I can't wait to see the artwork that you are making at home. Please remember to share it with me. Happy arting, everyone.